Viewers, greetings to you. This is an installation of 15 kVA inverter with solar base. What I mean by solar base is that it's connected to solar panel. We have about 24 numbers of solar panel up there. The solar panel is rated at 400 watts by 24 volts. So here you can see the pure sine wave inverter Felicity products. So this is what we are installing right now with the installation of the charge controller. You can see the charge controller. Still the installation is ongoing. So here we have the batteries, not the conventional battery you guys know about. These very batteries you are seeing here, they are very solid type of Japanese made battery. You can see the voltage and ampere hour. This is 2 volts, 500 ampere hour. You can imagine how big these batteries are, and very heavy type of battery. Pardon. Okay, so looking at them, we have about 24 numbers of them here. They are all connected in series to give us 48 volts. So what we required here is exactly 48 volts. So we've been able to connect the terminals here. You can see the terminals of the batteries here. We've been able to connect all of them. We connected all of them in series in order to achieve what? 48 volts. So having said that, I will come over to the connection part. This is the junction box where we do all the connection that is required. So this is where we have the junction box for all the connection. So here is the solar panel cable coming from this particular place. You can see where we are taking it from, and the output as well, the output cable from the inverter. So the solar panel comes into this very particular circuit breaker you are seeing here, life and neutral, and goes in here to the surge protector. You can see the surge protector. You can see the positive and negative. Then you have the EDC here and the surge protector as well. Then here is the inverter DC cutoff circuit breaker. So this is for the panel, and then the surge protector. This is for EEDC, positive and negative, and the surge protector, and this is the cutoff as well. And this is EEDC cutoff as well. Then this from here, it's connect to this very charge controller. You can see the charge controller connected from the solar panel to the charge controller. Then from the charge controller, then you now link it to the inverter. You can see the inverter, see the connections now from the batteries. The batteries are connected to the inverter. This is the terminal, and you can see the exhaust fan, the cooling fan, and other connections that are required. So what I'm trying to tell us in essence, or show us in essence, is for us to appreciate the type of battery that we are using here, not the conventional battery that you may have about 24 volts or 12 volts, 200 AH. This one is 2 volts, 500, not 150, not 200, not 100. This very one is 500 ampere hour. That is the lasting time of the battery by a layman, how long the battery will last with loads if you supply it with loads. This battery in particular is going to last hardly, in fact, you can never, hardly you see this type of batteries in new one. You can only get it in this particular fairly use. This was imported from, this battery was imported from Japan direct. So here we are still doing the connection. Maybe before the end, I will basically tell us other things. Looking at this battery does not require any maintenance. You don't need to maintain it like normal battery. You come and add water and do all sorts of things. You know, it's fully, what you need is to, for you to monitor the contact to ensure that there is no corrosion. You use gel or soda with water to wash the terminal if you notice anything. Thank you for watching. That will be all for today. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell. Thank you.